Hey everybody, it's Scotty from Cocos Island here with another tip and trick or life hack. I'm not sure what to call my videos. I'm just randomly throwing things out. This might help some people who have a good tire with lots of tread, which I do. This is my truck tire, and I got a little bit of dry rot. Not too much, but it started leaking down. So I don't want to spend $140 plus to replace this tire. It's a good tire in a lot of places. Anyway, so this is the first time I've ever tried this. It's available at most automotive supply companies. It's called slime. It's a 16-ounce bottle of green gooey slime, right? And it's emergency flat tire repair tire sealant. Okay, it does not have any compressed air in it. You have to actually have an air compressor available on standby or at a gas station or something. This just simply will, allegedly, will fill any cracks in up to a quarter of an inch, it says in the back. I don't have that. I just have little tiny hairline fractures just from the sun. It's an old tire, not too bad. Not recommended if you have a really bad tire. If it's just cracked on the rim all the way around, screw it, just replace the tire. But I'm going to give this a try because I want to see if it does what it is advertised for. Okay, so the first step on the back, and in the instructions, the cap comes with a black cap, which is a stem removal tool. Okay, I tried that. It has a little tiny U-shaped, you can't even see it, the camera won't even pick it up, right? That comes on the cap. That didn't work. Okay, I tried drilling it out for a little bit bigger hole in the top there, but it just did not work. I just so happen to have an aluminum tire stem removal tool. So if you go to the auto parts store and you pick one of these up, get yourself one of these aluminum stem removal tools. And what that means is inside the valve stem where you fill that air up, there's a little teeny tiny spring compressed valve that you have to remove from the valve stem. It's inserted inside the valve stem. You have to unscrew it. You go counterclockwise about 3 or 4 turns, and the whole valve stem with spring comes out, right? You follow me? You have to do that. You can't just try to put this goo into the tire with the valve stem. It won't work. This won't work. This comes with the green slime. Okay, so what you want to do, and the reason for that, don't lose your valve stem, reason for that, you want to completely deflate your tire. You can hear the air coming out. Okay, right? Probably a good idea once it's deflated to start filling it with the slime, because once I get off, it'll suck it back up. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to give it a try. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and put the valve up. Try to do this as quickly as possible. It's the first time for me, first time for you. Okay, so I've got this. Here's the valve stem. Excuse my posture. I'm going to start injecting this into the tire while the tire is mostly deflated. And as I let my weight off the tire, it should start sucking up the goo. But I'm going to sit here and hold this and inject as much of it as I can before I let myself off the weight of the tire. It's going in, it's flowing pretty good. I'm down. I probably don't need the whole bottle because my tire is not bad. I have no punctures, I have no nails, I have no screws, nothing. And it's a good tire, but it does go flat under the weight of my truck. So I'm down to about almost halfway there. I'm going to let my weight up and let it suck some more in. Oh, okay, well that's a whole bottle, 16 ounces. Let my weight up, let it suck it in, right? And now what I want to do, this is not on the instructions, I'm just squeezing the last few drops. I'm going to go ahead and turn my tire like this, because I know the dry rot's on this sidewall, and I'm going to try and get the goo flowing best I can. And I know once I put air in it, it'll find its way. It'll find its way through. Okay, so that's that. Let me grab my compressor. Excuse the noise. And here goes. It's banging. Let's put the valve stem back in. Very carefully, very slowly. You have to screw it in by hand. About 6 turns to this. There we go. Let's turn my compressor on. Put some air in this tire here. Air's going in.
I need about 35 psi. So, old tool. Keep going. There we go. Nice airflow. Pressure's not coming on because I don't have it plugged in. I'm sure I have plenty of reserve air in the tank. Let's pull the line and see if I know. Oh no, today. Maybe check on my truck and see if it lasts. See how long my air pressure.
So that gives you an idea. But I just want to say, make sure you pick up one of these aluminum valve stem removal tool, because the one that comes with the slime on the top cap don't work. It's worth. Anyway, so thank you for watching. This is Coca's Island. Please like and subscribe. I hope this helps somebody out of a jam. If you're stuck, this stuff might just work. If you don't have too bad of a hole, or you didn't crash into a curb and you didn't gouge your tire out too much, if you just got an old tire, an old spare that's been sitting around, you need to use it, this might just do the trick. So, right there, I'll check the tire pressure. That seems about right. So that's it for us for now. Thank you for watching.